you want to know how to make chocolate ice cream in a very simple way, let me to tell you the most important and the better way to do so. Here are some ways you can follow to make delicious and tasty best chocolate ice cream. Ingredients: 3/4 cup sugar, 1 cup milk, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 eggs, lightly beaten 2 ounces semi-sweet chocolate, chopped 2 cups heavy cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. If you want to make a tasty and delicious Philly cheesesteaks, you should follow the following steps. 1. Combine sugar, milk, salt, and cocoa powder in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly. Bring to a simmer. Place the egg yolks into a small bowl. Gradually stir in about 1/2 cup of hot liquid and return to the saucepan. Heat until thickened, but do not boil. Remove from the heat, and stir in the chopped chocolate until chocolate is melted. Pour into a chilled bowl, and refrigerate for about 2 hours until cold, stirring occasionally. When chocolate mixture has completely cooled, stir in the cream and vanilla. Pour into an ice cream maker, and freeze according to manufacturer's directions. 3. Serve immediately. I hope you enjoying watching the video about how to make chocolate ice cream. Subscribe to our channel and learn more about new things. Thanks for watching video. Subscribe, comments, like and share. Thank you.